students of class 12th, welcome again to a new session of advertisement. I know you had been learning advertisement since last 3 sessions. So today we will wind up this session with the final part of the advertisement. In the previous sessions, we have learned a lot about the advertisement. We have learned the format. We have learned the lost and found, sale and purchase, situation wanted, situation vacant, and some educational advertisement. Today, we will discuss on the matrimonials and obituary only, and one more, to let. So these 3 will be the topic for today. You pay attention. At the end of the session, in 5 minutes, a test will be taken on advertisement. On the screen, there will be 10 questions, and let us see how much you have learned. You will evaluate your learning yourself. So be prepared. Advertisement, again, I need not to remind you the format. We have talked a lot about that. Today, we write about matrimonials. First, we talk about to let. This is very important. To let. To let. Have you ever seen something written like this? L-E-T, let. On the newspaper, there is a box, and in the box, to let is written. Have you ever seen it? Perhaps no, because you have no access to English newspaper. But sometime in Hindi newspaper, you can see this sort of classified. ये to let का मतलब क्या होता है? To let means you have a property in the form of house, in the form of rooms, in the form of, you can say, land, and you want a tenant for that property. You want someone who takes the property on rent. उसे कहते हैं to let. Simply you have a home and you are not living there. So what will you do? You will give that home on rent. It is called to let. So this is very important to understand the terms. After 12th, you will take admission in a new city, and there you need a room. So what will you do? Either you walk all around the city to find out a room, or you simply pick up a newspaper, look at to let column, you will find the different rooms available in the city in the different location without going anywhere. So to let is, again, remind, if you are looking for a room, then you are looking for a house, then you should see to let. मैं कब लिखूंगा to let? I will write to let advertisement when I have property and I am asking people to come and live in my property and pay me something for that. मैं इसलिए भेजूंगा उसको to let के column में. So how to begin with this? As you always know, in the classified, we begin with to let. You can write in small letter as well. To let. After writing this, what you have, you will give the specification. So the other day I talked about the BHK. 2 BHK. 2 BHK is a kind of residence in a city. शहरों में रहने के लिए क्या होता है? हमारे यहाँ तो 2 मंजिला मकान, 1 मंजिला मकान, गौशाला ऐसा बोलते हैं, लेकिन शहरों में उसको 2 BHK बोल देते हैं. Means 2 bedroom, 1 hall and 1 kitchen available with this. Obviously, when there is a bedroom, washroom is available with it. So 2 BHK is ready to let. So after giving the specification of the size of property, I give the location. In a posh colony. Spacious, comma, spacious bedrooms with attached washrooms with all basic, you can also write basic amenities, means facilities. So you can write as many as you want, like means the rooms are spacious and well located in a posh colony. You can give some specification, a modular kitchen, the hall is wide and open, semi furnished, furnished, unfurnished. इस तरह से होता है कि उसमें अगर सब कुछ बेड वेड सब लगा है तो fully furnished, semi furnished if some of the things are already there for your accommodation and some of the things are you need to buy. So you can give these details. Another important point you specifically mention will be the rent at, I write, comma, then add 10,000 per month. If you have some sort of restraints, कुछ restriction आप लगाना चाहते हैं, means who will live in the property? The students only, the job class only, the small family only, old people, आप किसको prefer करते हैं? It is your choice. So only small, I prefer small family, only for small families, or you can say only small family may contact at, you can write only for small families or small family. You may contact, you can also write you may contact, or you put this may contact at, you will write your details. So this is how to write to let. Then as always we do, we put the whole thing in a box. So this is how you write to let. We will see another example at the end of the session. So moving to the next. Matrimonials. Matrimonial is a column in newspaper where the advertisement are classified for bride and groom. Bride जो दुल्हन होती है, groom जो दूल्हा होता है, for bride and groom. So we can publish or classified in the column matrimonial according to our need. If you are looking for a bride, then we will write an advertisement. If we are looking for a groom, then again we write. And this has become very popular nowadays. So how to write? Suppose for bride. For bride. A bride wanted. You can also write wanted bride. It is better to write. You can also write for bride. Somewhere you can see this, but it is better to write wanted bride. It will give a clearer idea to you. Wanted bride means who is writing this classified? Means a father of a groom. अरे जब किसी को दुल्हन चाहिए तो लिखेगा कौन ऐड? दूल्हे का पिता लिखेगा. अगर वांटेड ग्रूम है तो दुल्हन की तरफ से ऐड है. So here you will write alliance is invited. You can also write looking for a suitable match for. दोनों सही हैं. Whatever is comfortable to you, you can start. As I told you, remember the first line. You make your first line of each sort of creative writing, advanced writing. आपका एक sentence ready होना चाहिए. It will not take time in the examination to think over, to ponder over the topic and think how should I start. So you make your sentence ready-made. So when it comes to matrimonial, wanted bride or wanted groom, you start alliance is invited from a tall, handsome, and educated groom, or you can say boy. Boy of 32 years, age of 32 years. It is better to like this, years, 32 YRS. As you know, you need minimum words. A boy of 32 years. If he is in a government job or in a private job, whatever you want, you want to mention, you can write working in an MNC. We put N before the short forms. MNC. Earning. अब ये सारी चीजें जरूरत होती हैं किसी ब्राइड वाले को कि कितने साल का है, कैसा है, एजुकेटेड है, कहाँ काम करता है, कितनी अर्निंग है. अर्निंग इन 5 digits. अब ये तनख्वाह नहीं लिखते हैं कभी भी. I get this much salary. This is not, we are not making business. Means he is good to earn. He is earning enough amount of the money. So 5 digits का मतलब क्या हो गया? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It's like 20,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Under 1 lakh, 100,000 से नीचे क्या आएगा? 5 digits. So he is earning good. He is working in an MNC. He is educated. He is handsome. Everything is there. If you are interested, people also prefer to like caste, but here we will not mention it. We do not support any matrimonial on the basis of caste. So we avoid this. 5 digits. Contact for detail. You can write for detail, please contact. For detail, for details, please contact at, you will write your phone number. So we put this again in a bracket. So this is how I write matrimonial. Matrimonial for wanted a bride. This is my ad, and this is the name of column. Matrimonial is the name of column. Wanted bride. So if I switch this ad, wanted groom. Suppose I am writing an advertisement on wanted groom. In that case, what I need to do? I only make certain changes in the text, like wanted groom. Instead of bride, I will write groom. So if the bride is writing, so bride will be not handsome, but she may be tall, she may be educated, but she cannot be handsome. So what should I write here? यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूंगा handsome की जगह पे? Yes, I will write beautiful. Alliance is invited from a tall, beautiful and educated. अब boy की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा? Girl of 32 है, 30 है, years cannot be replaced. It is up to the, it is according to the age of the bride here, जो दुल्हन बनेगी, जो गर्ल की एज है, that will be mentioned here. Working in an MNC, it is also possible. Earning in 5 digits, even more if it is a girl, if she is a girl, and for details everything will remain the same. So I have changed only 3 or 4 words and I have switched this whole classified into wanted for groom. So these 2 ads belong to matrimonial. The third one is obituary. ये बहुत ज़्यादा आता भी नहीं एग्जाम में, or it is not very much useful as well, but I still introduce you about obituary. Obituary. Obituary क्या होती है? When someone passes away, someone has died in our close relation or in our friendship, we give this news to our friends that the person has passed away, and that day he will be, means his body will be kept for the final ceremony and all that. So there we write a classified to inform people. इसको हम normally simplest word में लिखते हैं, with the profound grief, this is to inform that Mr. This has started his journey to the final abode, or has got his untimely demise. Demise means मौत. Final abode means अंतिम घर जो मौत है. He is dead. ऐसा नहीं लिखते हैं. He has passed away. With profound grief, this is to inform that Mr. This passed away at this age. His funeral ceremony will take place on such and such date. That's it. इतना ही लिखते हैं. ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे कि we invite you all, please take part in the. We just given a piece of information. The person passed away and this is the date of his cremation or burial. उसका burial अगर वो दूसरे religion का है तो burial, और दूसरे religion का है तो cremation will take place, or you can write the final ceremony. उसकी जो ceremony होगी वो ये होगी. So obituary we will see an example on the board. So we move to the board to start our examples, and as I told you, at the end you will be appearing in a test of 2 minutes for 10 marks. So let's see how much you get. So we move to the board. So on your screen, TV screen, you can see a example of to let. As I told you, to let is we are giving our property on rent. So you will draft an advertisement in the form like for rent. You can also write to let on the top in the black. जहाँ title है वहाँ you can write to let. To prime proper ties in defense colony to let commercial property in Rana Pratap Bagh for banks MNC with existing strong room, ground floor. This is mistyped perhaps. 1700. You can also give the size. I missed this point. You can also give the size of your property because this is a commercial aid. So it is giving, it is focusing more on the size and other. So call us, it is the contact. So this was to let. Then next, it was bride wanted under the matrimonial alliance invited from a slim, beautiful, mealy mouthed means soft spoken, considerate and homely girls should be working for a tall, dark, handsome boy working abroad, Punjabi, non-Mangalik, and all these things are written here. Retired from Indian Army, father की detail भी दे दी है. From no dowry, dowry का भी लिख दिया. This should be mentioned. These are good things you should take in your advertisement. This make your advertisement impressive when you go against the set bed practices. So early marriage, interested, match makes, make contact at the numbers given below. So this is how bride wanted. Similarly, a groom wanted under the matrimonial. We have gone through this. alliance invited from a tall dark. You can read it yourself. It is almost same. Only thing that has changed is from a girl, we have written a boy. From handsome, we have written beautiful. And all the rest of things are almost the same. So this was groom wanted. Here we have an obituary. This is someone's. So this is, you can write because the person has enjoyed his life, has passed away at an age where a person supposed to pass away. Means we feel that the person has enjoyed his life. So it has drawn beautifully with the color and everything. Now coming to the point, it is the things we have learned so far. We have learned, just a quick remind because we are going to close this session today. We have situation vacant, wanted, sale and purchase, lost and found, educational advertisement, to let, matrimonials, obituary and tour and travels. So now I ask you 10 questions and please you give the answers. So here we go. Chalo YouTube mein hai. Write down your answer in the box given under the chat box. We call it chat box during the live session. So chat box में answer लिखेंगे. Short form में लिख सकते हैं. Suppose situation vacant. So you can write SV. Situation wanted. You can write SW. So first question for you. You are looking for a vacancy. Second question. You want to employ someone. What sort of advertisement? पहला मैं example बता देता हूँ. You are looking for a vacancy. क्या होगा? क्या ढूंढेंगे आप? Situation vacant. You want to employ someone. पहले वाले में you are looking for a vacancy था. So आप एक employer हैं, आप एक unemployed हैं, आपको vacancy चाहिए. So situation wanted. You आएगा. Second में क्या आएगा? You find it yourself. Third में you want to sell your laptop. Write down the answer. You want to buy a house. Write your answer. YouTube में देखने वाले नीचे मैसेज बॉक्स चैट बॉक्स में लिखते जाए आंसर. You found a purse. So what will be the title of your advertisement? You want to give your house on rent. You are looking for a bride. Recently we have discussed this. You are looking for a groom. You want to publish your online classes. Means you want to draft an advertisement on your online classes. News of someone's death. You want to publish it. So these are the 10. देखते हैं कितनों ने सही किया. You are looking for a vacancy. तो क्या लिखेंगे आप? You are looking for a vacancy. You are unemployed, so you are writing. So you will write situation wanted. Then you want to employ someone. Situation vacant. You want to sell your laptop. To sell. You want to buy a house. To purchase. You found a purse. Lost and found. Then the next one is to let. Then bride wanted. Wanted bride. Wanted grooms. And online classes. Educational advertisement. And this is obituary. So hope you would have done the best. Next time we will discuss on the commercial advertisement. Thank you so much.